Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage water hardness level in Bosch Dishwasher SPV. So in the first step you have to turn on your appliance and hold the setup button for 3 seconds. As you can see there are age and in my case 0,4. This is a 4 level of the water hardness. If you want to manage this function, click on the start button and set your water hardness from 0 to 7. The 7 is a maximum hardness, the 0 is a soft water. To apply the settings, hold the setup button for 3 seconds again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.